everybody! So today I will be reading Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. And this is by James Dean. I love Pete the Cat and I love Pete the Kitty. So I'm very excited to show you this book. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup! How do you stop the hiccups? Do you know how to stop the hiccups? I don't know. Let's see if Pete figures it out. Pete asks Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." Do you think standing on one foot will get rid of the hiccups? Let's see. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and you hop up and down." Do you think standing on one foot and hopping up and down is going to get rid of his hiccups? Let's see. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." Oh my goodness, that's just more to do. Let's see if it works. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Poor Pete the kitty. I don't like the hiccups. Pete asks Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Bob. "You stand on one foot and you hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly," says Bob. Pete does it. He's doing it. Do you think it'll get rid of his hiccups? Hiccup? Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. "Go ask Mom," says Bob. Pete asks Mom, "How do I stop the hiccups?" "I know," says Mom. "You take a deep breath." Pete takes a deep breath. Everybody take a deep breath with Pete. Let's see if that got rid of his hiccups. Hold your breath and then blow it out. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. "That's it?" Pete asks. "That's it," says Mom. Has he hiccuped in the past couple pages? Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. The end. And that was Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups by James Dean. I hope you enjoyed that. What I would love for my pre-K babies to do, or any of the kids, draw a picture of Pete the Cat or Pete the Kitty. I think would love to see it. It's a lot of blue, a lot of yellow, very fun colors. I hope you enjoyed this book and I hope you have a great rest of your day.